Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about the market itself and make my daily commentary about it. First off, the American market is in a bad situation. It gone out for this increasing trend line since the April 2023 and it going out of it at the moment. It have to be hold through the 6,500 level. If that not going to be happen, the way for the 6,100 will be open. But I will say this in this video, I'm going to also talk about my portfolios. Well, I'm holding American markets and I don't have an intent to be sell it at the moment. Why? Because I know the companies are in good shape, in good profit, and there's a developing investment in the American market, and my term for the investment is not for like maybe 3 months, 5 months, 6 months. It's not for it. I'm buying it and I'm constantly taking it and constantly holding it. I'm not afraid of any market at the moment. If it's going to be go down, I will buy it. But I believe this American market will be enter the euphoria period at the moment. So I'm not selling it. I'm not going to sell. If it's going to be go down, I will buy it more because I have holding cash also. I always had a cash. I always have to be hold cash. Cash is good. With the gold situation, the gold is bad. I wouldn't buy and hold gold at the moment. Why? I hold it gold. I bought it through the 2000 levels and it went up really much. Went up really good. But why I didn't holding at the moment? Because it made a euphoria period. It entered the euphoria period. You can see through here. If you look at this chart, it went up really much. So I do not hold any more gold. If this chart will be happening in the American market, I will sell my American market too. Also with the American market, I can say you about this. The American market main reason for it's going down at the moment is Iran hit the Arabic countries oil and gas stations. I mean the gas stations, gas extracting points. So that's the reason markets are at the catastrophe at the moment. Also Fed Chairman Powell speak really much strong and very much tense for the market, so that's the reason it's going down, but not much a problem. Again, the gold, I do not like the gold at the moment. It's in the sell position at the moment and it's going down. It hit to the Fibonacci level. If it's going to be hold through here, can we go back to the 4,900 levels again? If it's going to be break it, and it seems like it's in the below it at the moment, anyway, it's going to be 4,300 levels. With the silver is going for the 50. I made a video about the silver back in a couple of months when it was in these positions. You can look through my older videos. I said this euphoria period, the balloon is going to be pop up, and when it go pop up, I think it will be go back to the 50 levels. So my opinion about the silver is it's this. At the moment it hit the Fibonacci level, struggling through the Fibonacci level. Maybe it can be go back to the 73 levels and then just be aware of the 53 level with the US oil. US oil, I don't think it will be go back to the 120, but within the war escalations, when the Iran hits somewhere and America hits somewhere in the Iran, especially the gas extraction points, it's the way the crude oil makes its way up. But I think the worst thing going to be happen is one of the 120. I don't think it will be exceeded, if not a very much big thing going to be happen, but I don't think it will be go back through here. So just waiting. With the cryptocurrencies, well, the cryptocurrencies went up and almost it was up for the Fibonacci level, but it didn't hold it through here going back. But it stays in the also in the buy season. You can see through here also it's in the still buy pace. Well, it's in the also hit to the this price increasement trend line through here. You can see in the 4-hour chart, and I can say you about this. Maybe it can be go back to the $66,000 and $67,500. It can be happen, but the situation in the Bitcoin, I think we are at the bottom level. This was the bottom for my opinion. I don't think it will be go back there anymore. I don't think it's going to be go below it, but situation in the US markets is affecting the Bitcoin also. So within that, the Bitcoin has a sold off. So we are just waiting for the Bitcoin side, but I think it will be hit to the 81,000. This price decreasement trend, I think it will be hit through there. My opinion, it will be hit like a magnet. XMR also, Bitcoin is going down, XMR is going down, same thing. XMR, sorry. The Ethereum also the same thing, but the Ethereum is more holding strong at the moment for technicals. But if it's going to be break the 2095 level, it will be go below it. It will be go back to the 1945 level again, maybe 1905 levels. That could be happen. With the XRP, there's a turbo occurred over here, went up, and it was at the price decreasement level. It went up and struggled to go above there, and it break it and now retesting it at the moment. If the Bitcoin will be go down more, it will be go back more, go down, it will be happen. But I don't have a bad opinions about the Bitcoin because I believe in it hit to the bottom level and I think it will be go up. I'm holding my Bitcoin. I don't have Ethereum and XRP, by the way. I have a Bitcoin, XMR, AVAX and FET. The AVAX also here, the FET here. I'm not selling those. Why I'm not selling it? Because I believe we are in the near of the bottom level. So I bought it from here from spot. I wouldn't ever sold it at the moment. I wouldn't, and just waiting for it. And I do not look to my money, because when you look at your money and you look your assets really frequently, if you look at two mirror, you will make a buy or sell things. And if you do it a lot of more time, if you are do a lot of trading, you will lose money. So I will suggest it. Just buy and wait. Buy and wait. So with the AVAX situation, it's still above the Fibonacci level. Seems good, but when will be go back to the $66,000, this will be broken. So with the Fed coin is more holding good at the moment. It's more likely to hit 1950 level. We are waiting for it. Maybe tomorrow will be maybe I can make a more comprehensive review about it. So situation in the markets are not good right now because of war escalations happening in the market. Do not be panicked in these days. Back in the July war, I had an American market and I made my friend bought in the April levels through here, and he bought it and he made a really good money through here. In the 60 days he made 25% in the US dollar. This is the July war between the Iran and the Israel. They were in the war situation. They just make sends them rockets and other stuff, and he was just scared and sold its assets, and he sold his assets, and then the market will be go up the 18 more levels up. So I can say this, do not be panicked at these days. Do not look your portfolio in these days. Just wait, because everything is going down in the market. The American market, gold, silver, cryptocurrencies, all of the stuff. Just wait for the market. Don't be fearful, don't be desperate, because this will be go off anytime. And if you buy more stuff in these days, in these bad days, if you can buy more stuff, when the bright days will become, you will gain a lot of money. So just be patient. I'm also just constantly buying, because if you are always buying market index or other stuff, you'll have stocks and stuff. So whenever that day the markets will be go up, you will gain a lot of money. So thank you for watching my video. See you all.